Welcome to Rebels. Oh, why am I jamming? Just buffering a second. Okay, what's up, guys? Welcome to Rebels Capital, aka Negativity with Success. And yes, came back with another one today. Today is the 6th of March. Yeah, man, we're gonna make a breakthrough as usual on the stock market, the crypto market, the Forex market, and the index, what's actually going on, things that don't get reported on the news. If you like the video, please, man, don't hesitate to click like, subscribe. Yes, no, maybe so. Let's go. So, um, today, as you can see, everyone is bleeding because of the US and Iran, the Iran war. So as you can see here, the US 30 is down 0.58%. S&P 500 is down 0.3%. US Tech is down 0.81%. Small cap 2000 is down 0.87%. Normally what happens is the three, the US Tech and the S&P 500 and US 30 is down, but then the small cap goes up. But yeah, man, it seems like everyone is bleeding. But that's because of the VIX. VIX, it's an index where people use it to measure the fear in the stock market in general. So if it goes up above 20, there's some sort of what you call this? So it's some sort of fear or like caution happening. So yes, that's how you see what's going on. The fear from the VIX, if it goes to 20, as you can see today, it's at 24. Yeah, man. And then the rest of the world, let's go to the rest of the world, like your DAX. The German DAX is down also 0.45%. The CAT 40, that's the France index, it's down 0.51. The FTSE 100 is down 0.99%. The Euro Stocks 50 is down 0.58%. And then the FTSE MIB, which is the Italian index, it's down 0.58%. The SMI, which is the Sweden index, it's down negative 1.34%. The IBEX 35 is also down 0.38%. And then we can go even further. The other most important one, if you like Chinese companies, but this one we're gonna start in Japan. The Nikkei 225. I love this index. It's up 0.34%. I think this is one overall in a month. It's been positive so far. The Nikkei, the Hang Seng, the Shenzhen, what's the other one? Yes, yeah, I think those are the three. There's just been three in terms of China, and Japan. It's not the same country, guys. Yeah, don't be racist. But yeah, anyway, I don't know. The Topex is also, let me see here. Topex is also down 0.33%. The Hang Seng, as you can see here, the Hang Seng is the one with the 25,326. It's up 1.1%. The China Hong Kong shares are down 0.50%. The CSI 300, the Chinese index as well, it's basically up 0.70%. China 450, A50. This is a Singapore index, if I'm not mistaken. Correct me if I'm wrong. It's also down 0.18%. The Australian index S&P 200 is down 0.42%. Singapore MSCI is up 0.34%. Then you have the Nifty 50, which is the index of the India. It's down 0.18%. Bank Nifty is another Indian one. India, to be specific. It's down 2.23%. And then yeah, man, that's it so far. Everything is down bad. In the US, in the euro. Oh yes, that's because of majority of the traders are waiting for non-farm payroll. Non-farm payroll is the most important number for the month. A lot of people trade it, a lot of people don't. It depends on you and your appetite. It's about to be released now in 1 minute. Yeah, man, let's wait for that. Yes, man. But so far, so far, so bad. So far, so bad. So far, so bad. So what's really happening is the stock markets are expecting a significant volatility today, with the futures pointing ahead of the jobs report, which is these numbers we're waiting for now. Um, in terms of the surging oil driven by the escalating Middle East tension, including US-Iran conflict and potential disruption in the Straits, and this fueled inflation, right? Fears pressurizing equities as bond yields are rising as well. Risk asset sell-offs. So far everything's off because of these news. Let me see. It should be out now. Should be out. Should be out. Should be out. Let me just click on that. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. This, by the way, it's oh shit. It's quite negative. So yeah, man. Non-farm payroll came in at 82, 92 actually. Shit, that's horrible, bro. That's bad, bro. So normally that pushes up and down the forex market, right? Your currencies like your US dollar, to be specific, the euro to the US dollar, and the US to the Japan. Those are the two currencies people trade when news like that come out. I'm trying to find out. Let's see if it did anything so far. USD to the Japan. So yeah, man, that's what everyone was waiting for basically today. Those news. Oh, okay, there we go. Yeah, man, it's pushing it up so far. But that was horrible, bro. That was bad. God damn. Yeah, but as you can see here, everyone is selling. Yeah, man, they're selling it so far. Yeah, they're selling. Shit. That's fucked up. Because it was supposed to be, if it showed a healthy sign, right, and then like a proper average, it was supposed to be at 126 to be exact. You still show that like the overall market in the US is quite positive, but now it's showing otherwise. Shit, god damn. Your investments, boys, you're bleeding more than a girl on her periods today. Jesus Christ, that is horrible. That is bad, bro. 92K. Shit. Yeah, man. As you can see now, it's going down. Yeah, it's gonna go down eventually. And also, people use trade this one, euro to the dollar. So every time there's like news that come out like that every single week, these are the two currencies most traders, like your day traders or whatever traders you might be, yeah, man, they trade these currencies when those news come out. Yeah, man. So far, the euro is going up. It's reversing, as you can see here. As you can see here, it's going up instead of down in the chart. Yeah, man. So meaning that the dollar is going to be weak today. And the VIX, as you can see here, is also increasing with fears. It went from 24 to 27. That's insane, bro. Just from those news alone. That is crazy. That is crazy, man. What a horrible day to be in investment this week, man. Horrible, horrible, horrible. If you have like stocks that you're holding, Fuck, man. Fuck. Ah, that's bad. Uh, okay. And unemployment is at. Okay, the unemployment rate number is not so bad. Unemployment rate numbers came at 7.9%. Previous one, it went down actually. It was at 8.1%. Now it's at 7.9%. And then let's see rate participation. Rate participation came in at 6.2%, 62% actually. Previously it was at 62.1%, so it went down as well. Participation rate is like more or less like the people who are participating in getting paid, basically. Like just to summarize it up, how many people are actually getting paid? And then here is the average hourly rate. That's positive, but it hasn't changed. It's still at 0.4% with the forecast of 0.3%. Let's see what else. Retail sales as well. I think it's 0.2. Yeah, it's like plus spending. So far it shows green. Okay, and government roles. Shit, horrible. This government roles is negative 6.k versus 20. So shit. Damn. You get mad. It's bad. It's bad. It's bad. It's bad. It worked. And another one, manufacturing payroll. So at the podcast of 3. Previous it was at 5. Shit, bad. That's horrible, bro. Man, if your portfolio, if you invested in something, dude, you're down bad today, hey? Shit. Damn. And news of the month. So, yeah, man. These news normally are looked at by the Federal Reserve, right? The ones that keep interest rate up and down. But it looks of it, I don't think J Powell is gonna do anything either way. You can fast moving, bro. Move like if you were put in $100, $8,000 from zone. That's what I'm saying. Depending on your appetite, to have how much are you willing to risk. So yeah, man, look at that shit. The dollar's going weaker and weaker by the minute, in real time, bro. Yeah, man, that shit was bad today. Fuck. Fuck. Oh, if you had a bet ball, that would go down. So you get bet. Night before the market closed, would have made a lot of money out. Cause horrible. And today's Friday, the 6th of March. Friday. Those are the most important news. Nothing else you can blame yourself on, honestly. And then that's the resale that include 3 previous one 2.3%. That's a bit positive, I guess. It's a positive, but it's already late, man. Yeah, man. So that's what's happening there overall in terms of the stock market and your forex market, right? So now we're gonna go into the crypto market. So normally that also pushes commodities and crypto because people are uncertain what's actually going on. So when there's uncertainty, people buy the dollar. If the dollar's not up, cryptos are up. If not crypto, then your commodities. Something you can feel, touch, and taste. Those are your commodities. And oil, by the way, is up, dude. It's up quite badly, dude. It's very bad. Oil is up very bad. So as you can see today, the change in the last 24 hours. Bitcoin. Nothing is happening on Bitcoin so far. Let me see here. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Let me not jump this process. Let me go to bonds, right? The only thing that is up today is the bonds. Yes, that's the bonds, right? So these are the most important ones: the 2 year, the 5 year, the 10 year, and the 30 year, right? So, with that being said, what's moving it is the Middle East crisis, right? And pushing oil prices higher and stoking inflation worries, right? And this is deepening the bond sell off, right? The 10-year treasury went up to 4.17%, with the stock slipping. Investors brace for potential force declaration by a Gulf producers, which could send the oil prices to $150, right, for the oil per barrel. That is bad for everyone across the world, man. That is quite bad, 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 bad. But yeah, man. So far, so bad. And now the current moment, US. Let me see US oil. I think it's playing around. Okay. It's playing around. Da, 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 da. Let me go to commodities. Yeah, as you can see here, the bond is also pushing down the stock market. That's what I was saying. The bond market is heavier than the stock market. So if the bond market normally is down, it also sometimes in certain situations like today, it pushes down the stock market as well, because of bonds are like, more or less, just to summarize it, it's more or less like your debts. So the debts people use to buy these stocks are being pulled down. What you call this? So the bond or the debt people took out, right? They use them to buy stocks. So that's pushing down as well your fucking stock market, because now it's, yeah, man, it's bad. It's bad. It's bad. So as you can see today, gold is up. Gold is up by 0.93%. Silver is up by 1.73%. Copper is also up 0.09%. Crude oil is up 6%, 6.7%. Shit. Natural gas is also up 2.8%. Coffee is up 1.18%. Corn is also up 1%. US wheat is 2.89%. Sugar is down 0.6%. Your cotton is up 0.11%, and US cocoa, it's up. As you can see, bro, energies, look at this shit. Energies now, oil is fucking around 89, dude. 89.31%. So that possibility of oil going to 120 is very, very possible at this point. 120. Jesus, man, where are you gonna go, bro? If oil goes above like 100, bro, you're in trouble. You are in trouble, bro. It means that the gas prices are gonna go higher. Everywhere in the world, bro. Everywhere in the world, all the gas prices are gonna go even higher. So for you visiting those friends, going on those dinner dates, no more choice, buddy. So you're no more paying. So you're no longer gonna pay like 200 for a dinner date. Now it's gonna go like to 400 or 6 just for you to go for a dinner date. Yeah, man, that's what's happening on these ones. And then let me go back to cryptos. It's fucked up. It's fucked up. It's fucked up on a Friday. And people don't like to work on a Friday, so they're just gonna let it be. Like your hedge funds and stuff. I don't think anyone is gonna buy anything today. They're just gonna leave it as it is, like the big whales. So far, Bitcoin is down by 3.6%, Ethereum 3.72%, Ether is also down by 0.01%. Binance Bitcoin is down 3%. XRP is also down by 3.11%. USDC hasn't changed. And the most popular used crypto, Solana, is down it's down 4.64%. Oh, here's a weird one. Tron is up 1%. I wonder why. Dogecoin is down 2.57%. Cardano is down 2.60%. And yeah, man, that's it. Let me find out why this one is up today. Yeah, man, it's quite a popular one. It's been making rounds in the streets. In the streets. Oh, basically they just increased the what you call these, the reserve, basically, to 681 million tokens. Okay. So they just gave out more tokens out. Yeah. Okay, that makes sense. No, but isn't that old? Let me just find out. No, this was 12 February actually. Let's see. Let me see. Let's find out, man. Let's actually find out. Let's do some homework for a second on this. And then, yeah, man, that's it. So far, everyone is bleeding, dude. Everyone is bleeding. Look at this shit. So far, it extended, bro. The US tech, everything just extended. Even higher in terms of losses. Damn, bro. You're bleeding inside. I see a breakup. As soon as you lose money, bro. Fuck a breakup, bro. If you lose money, that is the most painful one. That's even worse. Because it's money, bro. I see a lot of things. Fuck that, bro. If you lose money, and especially if it's like your life savings. Yeah, man, that's what's going on today. I'm just trying to find out what's the reason behind speaks every fucking week, bro. This guy is like, he's the only president that cares about the stock market and about himself. Like, literally. The only president in the world that cares about what the index is saying, though. That guy will read you what the current price of the US stock is, the S&P 500, the Dow Jones. He will tell you everything from start to finish. He's the only president so far that's ever publicly said that. The only one who would tell you from start to finish. What I'm sure he even knows what caused it, because like he also has like a couple of companies that are public, right? That are small companies. Let me see. Let me show you one. DJ. What's his name? Donald Trump Media. What is it? Donald Trump Media. What is it? DJ. No. What's the company? What's the name of that company? Wait, let me just find it. Donald Trump Media Company. I think that's the name. I just forgot the name, man. There we go. Yeah. Plus, he has the social media app called Truth Social. I don't know, bro. I wonder who uses that app besides him. Okay. Let me just see here. Give me a second. Yeah, man, this is the only president, bro, that gives a fuck about the stock market. There we go. Oh, DJT. Okay, DJT. I just forgot. I just got the wrong ticker. Yeah, DJT. Just give me a second while that loads. What is it? Higher. Okay. DJT. Yeah, man, he's like one of the only presidents, bro. Like I've seen presidents being in the stock market, but not like this. Like I told you, look at this shit. It's down now. It's going down. DJT. Okay, can't find them now. Okay, let me look into this one. Shit. Why is it freezing? It's frozen, bro. DJT. Okay, I'm still trying to find out in terms of this fucking. Still trying to do my homework on this. What you call this? This Tron coin. And by the way, Tron is quite big. It's quite big. I'm just gonna search about the Tron and show you the Donald Trump media, and then I'm just gonna go into this. I want to do yeah, but why is it slow? Can you wait for that load? Just a second. And then let me just go so. Holy shit. Okay. Here goes the company. DJT. And they explain your in T this and companies that are winning to small right companies are on 100 million to billions because people monitor so the bank ratings so invest are more likely to make more money than you would if you were investing in a company like your McDonald's or KFC, which is Yum brand. Um, these Philippine stubs move like that. Let me see. So up this just okay, the company coming up 40.24%. And it's one of those biotech companies like fucking crazy. These for these drugs, you see. And it was the volume so today, yeah. See here, and this specifically specialize in heart disease in the United States. And it's a very lucrative industry and it wants technology. Haven't I don't mean because of like millions of people hard. Either zero compliance the therapeutic and technology up 8 10 6 Joe Biden's this owned by as an unetech boom grows. So yeah, and they make what they make grow. So this is Michael. So basically develops manufactures and lithium batteries for mobility applications. Also, they basically make toy drones. They make batteries for emerging applications, including unmanned areas, drone, and high altitude satellite. That's a bomb. That's a beautiful one. They make batteries for drones, satellite. That's amazing. There's anything that has to do with general cloud. Everyone was just buying. If you never the fucking name. Let's see here. We go. And the third day that the company are no, actually 7 point that's some money if you were to click it just say like $1,000 a lot of money. And what do they do specifically? And development from rare other state diseases in the United States. The company offers a homogix that allows people living with hepatitis B to produce factor IX, which can lower the risk of bleeding. A gene therapy candidate, which is in phase 1 study for the treatment of what heightened disease. AMT-260, which is a phase 1 critical trial for Evela Technologies platform to discover, develop, and enhance normal enzymes in the United States. Okay, all right. So RNA therapeutics through RNA therapeutics takes a lot of money, bro. Let me just find out. So basically, it's like majority of companies for a popular disease around the United States, right? Then they just match the company that make or trying to cook up their own way of making that disease curable or treatable. Then they just buy a company like that. So it seems like that's what these people are doing on a daily basis in terms of like all your biotech companies. Let's just see. I had this written somewhere in terms of the RNAi. Yeah, man, I made a research about this. Fuck. RNA, AI, RNA, 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 RNA. Where's my bitch? Uh, where's my bitch? Where's my bitch? RNA, RNA. I just read about this yesterday, dude. RNA, RNA, RNA. No. RNA. Yeah. RNA, 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 RNA. Da 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 da. Eczema. No. A, right? RNAi, right? And gene therapeutics. It's a niche with multiple growth, right? Yeah, man, it's a niche. It's a niche with high margin growth. RNA. There's a specific company that is doing that specifically. Yeah, but yeah, man, they make close to. It's a projection of around no RNA. Da 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 da. No, no, no. It's around the billions. So if you were to bet on one company that's gonna dominate in RNAi, a lot of money. Yeah, then we're going to the next. Okay, let's see. So this is the name of the company, Broskim SA. This bitch is up 15.80%. Jesus. Jeez. That was a bad yesterday. Let me not say yesterday. It's like everyone bought these companies from Monday. 2 days later. Yeah, Monday. Everyone knew Disney and then bought on a Monday. This one is support and does use in okay. Simple Atlantic promoted. This on 11:32. I think this one is self-explanatory. This is oil and gas. Don't figure to again. And then it seems this one run not dead. 2 days in a row. How on this is the bro. This thing for 7 days. Going. So man, this one is in conscience industrial, electronic utilities, municipal and other customers in the United States. Yeah man, so also oil and gas play. The usual. So oil and gas. And then the next one is oh, here's another popular one in accounting firms. Shit. There we go. Zero Holdings. Oh, it's an Argentinian company. Yeah, man, that's the other one. And let's see here. And then my favorite one is called Big Bear AI. That was the 9th most bought today. Big Bear. Big Bear AI. Ah, fuck. The fuck am I doing? Token. There we go. So yeah, majority of these things are like spelling thingy. Yeah, man. Big Bear AI is currently on $4. It's up 5.48%. I love this company, man. They have a government contract. So one senator bought this One of the people on the Trump administration bought this last year, August. Yeah. She bought this last year, August, bro. It's like majority of these senators knew there was gonna be a war. That's fucking weird. So they basically like provide intelligence to decide and okay. Yeah, man, really good to go to what they going was for so much. And then see the last one did like was open so right what's been okay and these are losers. The stadium. It's one section lost like that's so much. Also today down. Plan. So like everything has to do with Palladium. Everything is down there. No, not Palladium. Everything in terms of mine, some Palladium, platinum, now the top that are down. Mostly they are in figure. They are mine companies. And so other things also went up, like Expedia, the traveling company. Expedia. And if you want to recommend traveling, and then, yeah, man. Let's just look at Trump. I just want to hear what he said. This guy has no filter. He says whatever he wants, bro, at any time of the day. Let's go. I just want to see what he said yesterday. Oh, there we go. Hosts. Trump hosts Mercy and Inter Miami to mark the MLS Cup. Okay, that was a useless meeting. Okay. Nah, but I'm sure he didn't say anything specific about like the stock market in general.
Whoa.
I highly doubt.
What's that? I just built a budgeting app in Base 44.
Guys, Nina just built an app.
Impossible.
Nina can't code.
A lot of them are political champions.
We don't care about
We
them
don't care
today,
about
right?
them today, right?
Right, Duffy?
Right, Duffy?
But we have
most importantly, wonderful people that love our country. And before we begin, I think I will say a few words about what's going on with respect to our operation in the United States military, together with the wonderful Israeli partners, continues to totally demolish the enemy far ahead of schedule and at levels that people have never seen before, actually. We're destroying more of Iran's missiles
every single hour,
capability,
knocking them out like
every single
nobody
hour,
thought was possible.
knocking them out.
As soon as they set off a missile
Nobody thought
within
was
4
possible.
minutes,
As soon as they set
launcher
off
gets
a
hit.
missile within 4 minutes,
They don't know what's happening. But we have the
launcher
greatest
gets hit.
military
They don't know
anywhere in
what's
the
happening.
world. Their Navy is gone.
We have the greatest
24
military
ships in
anywhere in the
3
world.
days.
Their
That's a lot
Navy
of
is
ships.
gone.
Jesus.
24 ships
Their
in 3 days. That's a lot.
anti-aircraft weapons are gone. So they have no air force, they have no air defense.
Weapons are
All of their
gone.
airplanes are gone.
So they have
Okay.
no air
The
force.
communications
they have no
are
air
gone.
defense.
Jesus.
All of their airplanes
Missiles
are
are
gone.
gone, launches are gone.
The
About
communications
60%
are gone.
and 64% respectively.
Missiles.
Other than
are
that,
gone.
they're doing quite
Launches
well.
are gone. About
So what's left?
60% and 64%.
But they're tough,
respectively.
and they want to fight.
Other than that,
And
they're doing quite
they're
well.
calling, they're saying, how do we make a deal? I
So
said,
what's
you're being a
left?
little bit late,
But they're tough.
and we
And
want
they
to
wanna
fight now more than they do.
And they're calling
We've
and
had,
saying, how do we make a deal? I said, you're being a
47
little bit
years,
late,
depending on the way you count it.
and we want to
But
fight
47
now more
years
than
of
they do.
War.
horror with
We've had,
this group. And, you know, when you see
47
somebody
years,
walking
depending
down
on
the
the way you
street
count it,
without their legs, without
47
the arms,
years of
whose faces
horror
so
with
badly
this group.
affected,
And, you know, when you see
hurt,
somebody walking down the street
it mostly came
without their
from
legs, without the arms,
95%
whose
Soleimani
faces so
and
badly
Iran.
affected,
And we,
hurt,
other presidents,
it
lived with it, I
mostly
didn't
came
live
from
with it.
95% Soleimani and Iran,
People
and
are
we,
doing a great job.
other presidents,
Again,
lived with it, I didn't live with
greatest
it. So
military
our people are doing a great
seen.
job. Again, the greatest military anyone's seen. Thank you. And yesterday, my administration announced decisive action to the oil prices, including offering political risk insurance for tankers transiting into the Gulf, as you know, pretty dangerous territory. Further action to reduce pressure on oil is imminent, and the oil seems to have pretty much stabilized. We had it very low, but I